Bharat Wire Ropes, a global leader in steel wire ropes. With over 35 years of expertise and a capacity of 72,000 metric tons. Serving 65+ countries, we deliver unmatched quality and innovation worldwide. Our crane wire ropes are engineered for high braking load, durability, and excel under tough conditions. Our elevator wire ropes are available in regular and pre-stretched variants, delivering high strength, reduced vibration, and minimal elongation. Our fishing wire ropes offer excellent resistance to abrasion, corrosion in harsh marine conditions. Our shipping wire ropes are engineered for exceptional strength and corrosion resistance. Our oil and gas wire ropes are corrosion resistant, have high tensile strength, and offer exceptional durability. Our logging and forestry wire ropes are strong, crush-resistant ropes designed to handle heavy loads. Mining wire ropes we manufacture have high tensile strength, are fatigue-resistant, and are optimized for heavy-duty mining equipment. Our general wire ropes are built to withstand crushing load, bending fatigue, and abrasion resistance. Structural wire ropes. We manufacture pre-stretched ropes and strands to ensure minimal elongation.